Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the IITian Coder. In this video, we will be seeing the video tutorials of the problems of CodeForces round 682 division 2. So let us move on to our first problem. It says specific tastes of ander. So I will keep the editorial short and sweet. So basically in this question, we are given an array and it is good if the array elements are divisible by the length of the array, like the sum of the array elements. So we are given an n and we need to output any perfect array of length n. So a perfect array is see, yeah, every non-empty subarray of this array is good. So how you can do that is basically initialize all the array elements to 1. So your answer would be 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 n times, and that is your solution. You can see that if you select any subarray of length x, there will be x ones in it, and the sum would be x, which is divisible by x, of course. So this was your solution of the first question. I don't think I need to give the code, but if you still feel that I need to give the code to you, do leave it in the comment section. Now let us move on to the second problem. Valere against everyone. So this problem was pretty simple. The only thing is you need to find two distinct, like non-intersecting subarrays of an given array A, and there is a array okay, you are given an array B which has n integers and A is 2 raised to bi. Okay, so you need to find two non-intersecting subarrays of A which have same sum. If there exists such an array, like subarray, then you need to output yes, otherwise you need to output no. So okay, first thing, if there are two same numbers in B, that is not all are distinct, then the answer is simple, it is yes, because you can choose L1 equal to the first number equal to R1 and L2 equal to R2 the second number's index. And let us suppose that all the numbers B1 to Bn are distinct, then in this case the answer would be no. Why? Okay, the answer is all the powers of 2 are distinct. This means, and sum of any powers of 2 will be 2 raised to power n minus 1. Okay, so like if you take continuous powers of 2, the sum would be 2 raised to n minus 1, and as all the numbers are distinct, all the b's are distinct, you can easily show that there wouldn't exist another non-intersecting subarray which has the same sum. So I hope you understood this question. This question was also pretty easy. If you need the code, just leave it in the comment section. And if you need any help or requests or doubts, please do leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe.